In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove profile picture on Facebook without deleting. Let's get started. Start by opening your Facebook app. Go to your profile, where you see your Facebook feed. To remove your profile picture without deleting it, tap your profile picture. Then tap on Choose Profile Picture option. I have downloaded a default profile picture, so I select it and tap Save. Your profile picture will now be changed, but if you tap on your new profile picture and choose See Profile Picture option, you can still see it when you swipe right. If you want to keep your previous profile picture secret, just click on three dots on the upper right corner and tap on Edit Privacy option. Now set the privacy to Only Me. This way, you can have your profile picture without being visible to others. And there you have it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.